Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to select the point features by using linear feature. So here, see here, this one is blue color is main pipe, main line, then red color is lines. See here. So I want select what are the point feature it is connected to main. That things only I want select. Okay guys, now we'll see. So by using select by location, here click selection, then select by location. So here I want select only point feature by using linear feature. So I want select main pipe blue. Here it's showing different features. So here what are the feature using you want to select the points. So here I want use line main, then I want select point features. What are the point feature it is connect to main, that points only I want to select. So click here point fittings, then click OK. Wait and see here it is selected. Now see what are the points it is selected by using this one main pipe. This main pipe, what are the points it is connect to main, that things only here it is selected. See the solar it is connected to main pipe. Okay guys, now if you want to see the one more I can show you. See this one, I will click here and select. So this one is line. So I want to select what are the point feature it is select connect to this line. So that points only I want select. Same thing, go to here selection, select by location, here by using lines, literal lines, then here point feature fitting, then click OK. See, sorry, I will show you again. Here I will remove, then click OK. See, now I am going to show you. Now this one select lines, then click points. Will show the, we'll see now it is, I will see this one, click OK, then see here, see this one line feature. See what are the point feature it is connect to line feature, that things only here selected. Okay guys, like this we can select by using different linear features. By using linear features we can select for points or fittings or whatever, like point connectings, points or walls, check walls, gate walls, these things. Now we can select reverse also. Now we selected points, now we can select reverse by using points. Now we can select line features. That's one also we'll see. See this is a main pipe. What are the this fitting features it is connect to this main, that things only we want to select. Same things here, go to here, then here we need to select fitting, then we need to select what are the linear feature we want select. We can select here this one, I want to select main, then click OK. See what are the point features it is connect to main, then that things only it will selected mains. Okay guys, like this we can. So this one also line also. Okay guys, thank you.